Hello everyone, welcome to Hybrid Learning. So today I will be talking about ICSE Grade 10 Current Electricity Chapter Part C Numericals. So the questions are mainly focused into electric power questions. Okay, so let's get started. So I have chosen specific questions, okay, so that we can discuss the how to apply the formula and how to use it. Okay. So first let's discuss about the formula, what we are going to use here now. So power is equal to V into I. So I have made a very detailed video on this, derivations and all that stuff. I will link this video in the bio of this video so that you can also check it out, because if you see that and if you come and do the numericals, it will be very easy for you to understand. So this is the first question and this is the first formula. That is power is equal to V into I. That is potential difference into current. Power is measured in watt. V is the potential difference measured in volt. I is the current which is measured in ampere. Second formula will be power is equal to V square by R. See, both of them are necessary, but we are getting this from here only using the Ohm's law. Okay, so let's start the question. Here in the first question, we have an electric bulb of resistance 500 ohm, draws a current 0.4 ampere from the source. Calculate the power of the bulb and the potential difference. So first we have to calculate the power. So given is our resistance, that is 500 ohm. And then we have I is equal to 0.4 ampere. Now, if I have to calculate the power, so I can actually use the formula P is equal to VI. Or if I use this formula also, I need V. So I don't have V. So let's calculate the potential difference first. This is my A. So let's do B first. Potential difference, I'm writing in PD. That is V is equal to IR from the Ohm's law. Okay. So current is 0.4 and resistance is 500. So if I do the calculation, that is 4 into 50, which is 200 volt. Now let's go back and substitute here 200 into 0.4, which is 20 into 4, that is 80 watt. So this is my first answer and this is my second answer. Let's go to the next question. This is question number 2. A current of 3 ampere is passed through a coil of resistance 75 ohm for 2 minutes. Calculate how much heat energy is produced, how much charge is passed through the resistance. Now, when we talk about heat energy, so for that, we have a formula that is Joule's law of heating. This also I have discussed. You can go through the video. So Joule's law of heating is H is equal to I square RT. H is the electrical energy or the heat energy consumed. I will be the current. R will be the resistance. T is the time. Okay, let's see. Here they have given I is equal to 3 ampere. R is equal to 75 ohm. Time is equal to 2 minutes. So obviously we are taking in SI units, so I need to convert. So 2 into 60, that is 120 seconds. Okay. So now let's substitute. For H, I'll substitute I square R and T. So I'll get it as 9 into 75 into 120. So if you do the multiplication, you will get approximately this value. That is joules, because energy is always calculated in joules, whatever energy you take. So this will be the SI unit. And the B part, we have how much charge. So we know I is equal to Q upon T. What is I? My current. Q is the charge. T is the time. So Q is equal to IT, I into T. So I is the current, that is 3 ampere. Time is 120. So that's 360 coulomb, because coulomb is the SI unit for charge. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Question number 5. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt 100 watt. What is the meaning of rated? Rated means it is the power voltage rating. Okay. So if it's given 220 volt 100 watt, means the power of the device is 100 watt and the potential difference for that particular device is 220 volt, as the value will be written here. Okay, usually for India we are going to consider 220 volt only, and for different kind of places the values will be mentioned, and accordingly we have to take the value. So what you have to take? You have to take the resistance. So resistance, power, and voltage is given. So I can use the formula P is equal to V square by R. So R is equal to V square by P. So let's do the calculation. 220 into 220 divided by power, that is 100. So this cancel, this cancel. So 22 into 22, it's approximately 484 ohm because it is resistance. B, what safe current can be passed through it? So power is equal to VI. Okay. So if I have a specific power and specific voltage, this much current has to flow through it. This much current the device can endure. If I send more than this, then the device can get damaged. So I have to find I from here. That's my safe current. That is P by V. So that is 100 divided by 220. That is approximately 10 by 22. That is 0.454. You can also take 2 digits accordingly, ampere. Okay, so these are the 3 questions that we have done today. Do it yourself and let me know if you have a doubt. Okay, we'll meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. See you.